Hi guys. Yesterday I met one of my friends. He's not an Arab guy. He said Hayyak. I said what? He said Hayyak. What do you mean, bro? He said Hayyak, like hi in Arabic. Okay, man, it's Hayyak. And most of the non-Arabic speakers are facing the same issue when they try speaking Arabic. Are you one of them? Have you tried to sort out this issue? Have you tried to learn Arabic? The solution is very easy. Just subscribe to the channel and watch Mr. Hassan and his way of teaching Arabic. Mr. Hassan's method of teaching Arabic is القرائية الصوتية, which means linking the letters to its own sounds, then connecting the sounds to get new words. After few lessons, you will be very familiar with the language. You will be able to read and speak a little bit. And it's not everything. He will make another series of the common words which you can use in daily basis with your friends, with your colleagues, or elsewhere. Stop wasting the time. Let's jump in and start watching. 5 videos are waiting for you and more are coming. See you in next videos.